Hello, class 9th. Very good morning. How are you all? I hope all are fine and doing great. In previous class, we were discussing about the prevention of diseases. है ना? आप यहाँ फिगर में देख सकते हैं. Garbage accumulation enhances the chance of spread of diseases. Okay. So today we are going to study about the personal health measure. Okay. So from here we are going to start. Okay. Personal health measure along with public health measures. Certain personal health measures should also be undertaken so as to prevent spread of diseases. Proper nutrition. For keeping good health and prevention of infectious diseases, we should eat a balanced diet containing adequate amount of all the vital nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage. Okay. Proper nourishment helps in keeping all body systems healthy, including the immune system. ओके. एक अच्छे स्वास्थ्य को रखने के लिए आपको ताकि वो इन्फेक्शियस जो संक्रमित रोग होते हैं उनसे बचाव के लिए आपको अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की ज़रूरत होगी. तो हमें एक बैलेंस्ड डाइट लेना चाहिए जिसमें कि लगभग सभी वाइटल न्यूट्रिएंट्स हों, जैसे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, वाटर एंड रफेज. Proper nourishment helps in keeping all the body systems healthy, including the immune system. A strong immune system is able to kill the pathogen long before it is able to multiply. तो संक्रमित रोग में जो पैथोजेंस होते हैं वो मल्टीप्लाई होने से पहले ही इम्यून सिस्टम आपका तगड़ा हो तो जर्म्स किल हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. The immune system consists of cells specialized in the killing the infective microbes. These cells come into action each time infecting microbes enter the body. For instance, if someone is suffering from cold and cough in the class, it is likely that the children sitting around will be exposed to the infection. But all of them do not actually suffer from the disease because of the strong immune system. Yes, obviously, if someone is suffering from cold and fever, okay, and nearby students who are sitting there may suffer from the cold, but actually it not happened of all this to all the students because of the strong immune system. Proper personal hygiene. Okay, so personal cleanliness helps to restrict infection by microbes. It includes regular bathing, brushing of teeth, washing hands before and after meals, etc. क्या होता है, जो पर्सनल क्लीनलीनेस है वो रेस्ट्रिक्ट करता है माइक्रोब्स को एंटरिंग करने के लिए. इट इंक्लूड्स रेगुलर बात करना चाहिए, ब्रशिंग ऑफ टीथ, वॉशिंग हैंड्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर मील्स. ठीक है, पहले और बाद में. प्रॉपर डोमेस्टिक हाइजीन, क्लीनिंग द यूटेंसिल्स आफ्टर यूज, प्रॉपर डस्टिंग, स्वीपिंग, प्रॉपर डिस्पोजल ऑफ डोमेस्टिक वेस्टेज एंड protection from mosquitoes and flies are important for protection against infection. Okay. D, proper exercise. Physical exercise would help improve digestion, blood circulation and relieve tension. Some important exercises are jogging, cycling, yoga, playing games, etc. E, freedom from addiction. Tobacco, smoking, alcohol and narcotic drugs disturb the functioning of different parts of the body. Soon the person gets addicted to them, so these addictions should be avoided. Okay, now F. Clean air. Polluted air or unclean air cause many ailments ranging from simple eye irritation to bronchitis or even lung cancer. So clean air is essential for healthy living. Okay? Clean food and water. Freshly purchased fruits and vegetables must be washed thoroughly with clean water for removing microbes, pesticide spray, etc. Food grains should be similarly checked for any infestation and stored properly. Drinking water should also be clean, free from contamination and harmful chemicals. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है रिलैक्सेशन. रिलैक्सेशन जो होता है, रिलीफ होता है, काम से आप जब रिलीफ होते हैं उसको रिलैक्सेशन कहते हैं. रिलीफ फ्रॉम वर्क इज कॉल्ड रिलैक्सेशन. There are different ways to relax, such as listening to the music, reading, watching movie, meditation, etc. It provides rest to muscles and relieves in tension and stress. So, in order to prevent the spread of infectious disease, care has to be taken at community level as well as at the personal level. Okay? In the next class, we are going to discuss about the specific ways of preventing infections. Okay, so I hope all guys you understood. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.